the global hypernaked hierarchy has been radically and violently redefined. I am AVA. Today, we isolate the absolute pinnacle of Mattighofen's mechanical malice, the all-new KTM 1390 Super Duke RR. Limited to a ruthless run of just 350 units worldwide, this platform is not built for casual enthusiasts. It is an uncompromised, track-focused weapon engineered around an elite power-to-weight matrix that completely defies standard motorcycle physics. But beyond its predatory visual signature, what deep engineering secrets lie buried within this ultra-exclusive beast? Let's isolate the diagnostic core. To track the structural evolution of the 1390 Super Duke RR, we must look at a systematic campaign against mass. KTM did not just shave off weight. They weaponized a high-tier carbon fiber bodywork matrix to fundamentally alter chassis dynamics. Look closer. The entire rear subframe is now a specialized, single-piece carbon composite structure. No unnecessary brackets. No structural filler. Just pure, single-seater tracking geometry. The physical escalation shifts directly to the unsprung mass. By deploying ultra-lightweight forged alloy wheels, the engineers have aggressively slashed rotational inertia, allowing this machine to change direction with telepathic speed. Framed by that iconic, raw orange chrome moly trellis spine, and exhaling through a full titanium Akrapovic slip-on exhaust system, it completely drops everyday commuter compliance. Every panel, every weave is sculpted to slice through air resistance while generating critical downforce. It is a predatory statement written in carbon fiber. Step into the cockpit, and the digital interface introduces a hyper-focused tracking ecosystem. This is about pure data execution. The geometry centers around a revised 5-inch TFT display, calibrated for real-time telemetry tracking under extreme stress. By prioritizing dedicated track and performance data configurations, the system strips away civilian distractions. It displays critical anti-wheelie algorithms and lean-angle traction curves with absolute visual clarity. It is a razor-sharp digital shield, processing track variables at maximum speed. To truly comprehend the violence of this platform, we must isolate the combustion core. This is the latest generation 1,350 cubic centimeters LC8 V-twin engine, weaponizing an advanced camshift variable valve timing system to alter valve lift for absolute torque destruction. The output peaks at a staggering 192 horsepower and 145 newton-meters of torque. When matched against its stripped-down chassis mass, it achieves a flawless, terrifying 1:1 power-to-weight ratio. It is relentless mechanical muscle. The physics are elite. KTM deployed a full WP Pro Components suspension matrix to control this chassis. The front uses a closed cartridge WP Apex Pro 7548 fork. The rear features the WP Apex Pro 7746 shock. This specialized hardware isolates internal oil pressure spikes, managing heavy track transitions with absolute mathematical precision. Slowing down this level of momentum requires absolute braking authority. The electronic protection shield incorporates a high-frequency 6-axis IMU network, calculating real-world spatial vectors to command top-tier Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers. Clamping down on massive dual 320mm front discs, the system utilizes specialized cornering ABS algorithms to maximize tracking traction even under extreme lean angles. Let's be completely direct. The KTM 1390 Super Duke RR is a rare, unapologetic masterpiece of mechanical engineering. It does not compromise for comfort. It does not apologize for its aggression. With only 350 units in existence globally, it stands as a definitive collector's weapon and a brutal reminder of what happens when engineers are left entirely unsupervised. As extreme engineering frameworks and software-driven dynamics reshape the global motorcycle metrics throughout this year, staying locked to high-fidelity analysis is mandatory. To ensure your real-world vehicle evaluations remain at the absolute highest apex, you must stay linked to this primary node. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Activate the notification node. Stay ahead of the curve. I am AVA. I will see you in the next simulation.